In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make vendor payment in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a payment to a vendor. Apply it to the right bills, and keep your books tidy and accurate. First, open Zoho Books and head straight to the left sidebar. Click on the Purchases module, then choose Payments Made. This is the dedicated area where all vendor payments live, so it's the right place to create and review what you've recorded. To add a new payment, click the plus New button in the top right corner. This opens a clean payment form. Start by selecting the vendor from the drop-down. Make sure you pick the correct vendor profile so the payment links to the right outstanding bills and history. Next, enter the total amount you paid. Type the exact figure that left your bank account or cash box. Then set the payment date. Use the date the payment was actually made, not when you are entering it. Accurate dates help your reports line up with bank statements and make reconciliation smoother. Now choose Paid Through. Select the bank account or petty cash account that funded the payment. This tells Zoho Books which account balance to update, so it's essential for accurate cash tracking. Right below that, select the payment mode. Choose the method you used: cash, check, bank transfer, or whatever applies. Selecting the right mode adds clarity to your audit trail and can be helpful when filtering or troubleshooting later. In the Apply to Bills section, you'll see a list of the vendor's outstanding bills. Check the box next to the bill or bills you are paying. If you are not paying a bill in full, you can enter a partial amount in the Applied field. Zoho Books will total up what you've assigned, so make sure the applied amount matches what you entered as the payment amount. If you are covering multiple invoices, allocate the amounts across them until the total matches your payment. Take a quick moment to review the vendor, date, amount, paid, through account, payment mode, and applied bills. When everything looks correct, click Save to record the transaction. Zoho Books will store the payment under Payments Made. Update your account balances and reflect the cleared amounts on those vendor bills. That's it. Thanks for watching.